Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, SPY and QQQ trading above yesterday's closing price. But right now, it's on a downtrend. I'm not pretty sure about the direction in which the markets want to head today. As usual, going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon and Tesla. All of them are currently on a downtrend. So I'll wait for market open to define my levels and my trades. We do have around 14 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now. And I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Amazon. Amazon and Tesla hesitating to drop or take off. So no setups as of yet. I'd like Tesla to break down further. Only then I'll be interested. Roku looks good, but we don't have enough option volume, else this would have been a great setup. I'll focus on Tesla, waiting for a pop. 760 I'm adding. My next add would be around 795, adding at 630. Got 2 contracts filled. Bomber there. Yep, I'm in. I may try to add around $800 area. Only 15 contracts. I was in the money for a while. Yep, looks good. I'll keep watching, giving it some time. Placing at 480, didn't get filled. Bad luck. I was sitting at 480, I didn't get filled immediately. So now cancelling. I'll wait. Had I got my ad around 490, 480, this would have been a winner by now. 720, I'm unloading some. Now 3 at 740 and now holding only 2 contracts. Maybe I'll just unload one more at 710. Exiting. A bit unlucky with my ad around 480. So my last trade I got in at 740 and 630. My third ad was around 480 and the low was 5. I really missed it. Had I got my third ad, this would have been a great trade. Looks like Tesla may give us a second trade. It broke the pre-market low. Now can it go even lower? That's what I'm watching. I wanted a bigger flush. I don't like how Tesla is hesitating to drop. Tesla trying again to break down. I'm interested in a second trade only if Tesla breaks the current low, else I'll stay away. Being a Friday, I want to protect the gains that I made, so looking to trade only A quality setups. QQQ actually did a double bottom. It bounced off 337 area twice, so I'm expecting that to be a strong level of support. I don't want to short again until I see that support level broken. Look at this move and look at how the premiums moved from $10 to $5. A 50% value drop in a matter of minutes. So right now, no setups and hence I'll go ahead and pause. I think I have to be content with what I have for today. Tesla didn't make a new low and it reversed, and now I'm not confident to the call side, and to the put side I think it's risky, so I'll stay away and I think I'll wrap it up for today. Overall, a great day of trading, making over $800 in less than an hour. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.